Discover the top 5 ClaudeCode plugins that can significantly boost your front-end development efficiency. From real-time collaboration to performance optimization, these tools will transform your coding experience.
Did you know that using the right plugins can cut your development time in half? Welcome to our video on the top 5 ClaudeCode plugins for front-end efficiency. Today, we're diving into the essential tools that every front-end developer should have in their toolkit. These plugins not only streamline your workflow but also ensure your code is clean, efficient, and error-free. Stay tuned to discover how you can revolutionize your coding process. ClaudeCode is a versatile IDE that supports a wide range of plugins tailored to meet different front-end development needs. Whether you're dealing with CSS, JavaScript, or HTML, ClaudeCode plugins can transform your coding experience by offering tools for debugging, code formatting, and performance optimization. With seamless integration, these plugins enhance the functionality of your IDE, allowing you to focus more on creativity and less on mundane tasks. In this section, we'll explore how ClaudeCode plugins can elevate your development process by providing specialized functionalities that cater to your every need.
In today's remote working environment, real-time collaboration is crucial. ClaudeCode offers a fantastic plugin that enables developers to work together on the same codebase simultaneously. Imagine being able to see your colleagues' changes in real time without any lag. This plugin not only boosts efficiency but also fosters better communication among team members. It's particularly beneficial for remote teams who need to stay in sync despite geographical distances. Whether you're pair programming or conducting code reviews, this tool ensures everyone is on the same page at all times.
Maintaining a consistent code style across a project can be challenging, especially in larger teams. That's where ClaudeCode's automated code linting and formatting plugins come into play. These tools automatically check your code for errors and style inconsistencies, ensuring that your codebase remains clean and readable. They support a wide range of languages and frameworks, making them versatile additions to your development environment. By catching common coding errors early, these plugins not only improve code quality but also save valuable time during code reviews.
Front-end frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue have become staples in modern web development. ClaudeCode plugins offer seamless integration with these frameworks, providing developers with framework-specific tools and functionalities. Whether you're dealing with state management in React or routing in Angular, these plugins enhance the framework's capabilities, making your development process smoother and more efficient. By integrating these plugins, you can streamline your workflow and take full advantage of the powerful features these frameworks offer.
Performance is a critical aspect of front-end development, affecting user experience and search engine rankings. ClaudeCode offers a suite of plugins dedicated to performance optimization. These tools help you identify and fix performance bottlenecks in your code, ensuring that your website loads quickly and runs smoothly. With features like resource usage analysis and code optimization suggestions, these plugins empower you to enhance the performance of your applications, providing users with a seamless experience. Debugging is an inevitable part of the development process. Fortunately, ClaudeCode offers powerful debugging tools and error tracking plugins that make this task significantly easier. These plugins allow you to identify and fix bugs efficiently, track errors in real time, and integrate with popular error tracking services. By minimizing downtime and user issues, these tools ensure that your code remains reliable and robust. Whether you're dealing with a tricky bug or need to monitor application performance, these plugins have you covered.
Managing a multitude of plugins can be overwhelming, but ClaudeCode simplifies this process with its effective plugin management system. This feature allows you to easily install, update, and remove plugins, ensuring that your development environment remains organized and efficient. Keeping your plugins up to date is crucial for accessing the latest features and fixes, and ClaudeCode's management system makes this task seamless. With just a few clicks, you can ensure that all your plugins are compatible with the latest versions of ClaudeCode, minimizing potential issues. One of the greatest strengths of ClaudeCode is its vibrant community of developers who actively share plugin recommendations. By accessing community-curated lists, you can discover new and popular plugins that might have otherwise gone unnoticed. This community-driven approach allows you to benefit from the insights and feedback of other developers, ensuring that you're always equipped with the best tools for your projects. Whether you're looking for the latest trending plugins or niche tools for specific tasks, the ClaudeCode community is an invaluable resource. By now, you should have a clearer understanding of how ClaudeCode plugins can drastically enhance your front-end development efficiency. From real-time collaboration and automated linting to performance optimization and community-driven recommendations, these tools are essential for any modern developer. We encourage you to explore these plugins and see how they can transform your development process. Don't forget to comment below with your favorite plugins or any recommendations you might have. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this.